Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Motorola Moto G34. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then search for Edge and click search. Now click install. Now click open. Here you can click skip introduction, and now you can set your Microsoft Edge as your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And here you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. Now you can try out Copilot, or you can just click start browsing. And now your Microsoft Edge is installed and ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.